Have you ever woken up in the morning, looked at all the things you wanted to do, and thought, I know I can do better, but I just don't have the energy? This is not laziness. This is not lack of ambition. This is energy deficiency. And today we are going to fix that. Welcome to the Voice On. Your dreams, skills, knowledge, none of them matter if your energy is missing. Energy is the fuel that moves your life forward. Without it, everything feels heavy. Even simple actions like getting up, studying, working, or talking to others feel difficult. So let's rebuild your energy step by step. Most people blame themselves. They say, I am lazy, I lack discipline. But the real issue is your body is tired for a reason. Find the cause, fix it, energy returns. Simple. Your body repairs itself when you sleep, but it doesn't repair based on hours. It repairs based on sleep cycles. One sleep cycle is around 90 minutes. You need about 4 to 6 cycles a night. If your alarm wakes you in the middle of a cycle, your body wakes up unfinished. You feel heavy, slow, and cloudy. This is why 8 hours of sleep can still feel draining. Pick a fixed sleep time every night. Let your body finish its cycles. Use an alarm only as backup, not the main wake-up tool. Your body cannot switch from active mode to sleep mode instantly. Create a 30-minute wind down, dim lights, no screens, slow breathing. Prepare your mind for rest. The sun resets your internal clock. Just 20 minutes of sunlight in the morning can boost energy naturally. Sunlight produces vitamin D, which affects mood, focus, muscle strength, and sleep quality. Low vitamin D equals tiredness plus brain fog. So step outside every day. Your body is designed to move. When you stay still all day, your blood flow slows down. Slower blood flow equals lower oxygen equals tired brain. The cure? Walk. Just 20 minutes of walking a day improves energy, clarity, mood, and confidence. Movement brings life back into your body. Even on days when your mind feels foggy, walk. Movement clears mental clouds. Try it for 1 week. Caffeine blocks your tiredness signals, so instead of solving the tiredness, it hides it. This leads to dependence. Drink caffeine only, in the morning, in small amount, and never after 2 p.m. Use it as a tool, not a crutch. Even slight dehydration makes your brain tired. Carry a water bottle, sip often, your brain runs on water. Your meals decide your energy. Heavy junk food equals sleepy brain. Balanced meals equals stable focus. Eat lighter, cleaner, slower. Screen overload exhausts your mind. Take 5-minute screen breaks every hour. Look away, breathe, reset. Your mind gets tired when it's full. Write down your tasks. Free your head. Clarity creates energy. Multitasking drains your brain twice as fast. Focus on one task at a time. Energy becomes sharp. Follow these for 7 days. Sleep on time. Morning sunlight. Walk 20 minutes. Limit caffeine. Drink water. Lighter meals. One task at a time, your energy will change. Your life is waiting for your energy to return. Take care of your body. Your dreams deserve your full power. This is The Voice On. See you in the next episode.